Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to practice and to improve our English. In today's lesson we are going to learn how to use will correctly, and for that we are going to use the Bible as a tool. The first thing we are going to do is to read the Bible verse to practice our pronunciation, and then we are going to start to analyze it. Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise. Jeremiah 17:14. In today's lesson, as I told you before, we are going to learn how to use will correctly for our real life. The first thing we need to know is when we can use will. We use will to talk about the future. We also use will to make predictions, to talk about decisions, or to make promises, offers, requests, and threats. Here are some of the ways we use will. To talk about the future, we can often use will plus infinitive without to refer to the future events. This is often called the pure future. I'm busy right now, I'll call you tomorrow, or I'll back later tonight. Don't bother making me dinner. To make predictions, we also use will to talk about what we think will happen in the future. I think it'll rain tonight. I'm sure he will be a successful lawyer one day. To make decisions, when we make decisions at the same time as we speak, we use will. For example, in a restaurant, waiter, what would you like to eat? The customer, I think I'll have the chicken. To make promises, offers, requests, and threats. These are some other ways we can use will in English. Promises, I'll help you with your homework tomorrow. Offers, I'll look after the children for you if you like. Requests, will you tell Tony it's cold? Threats, if you cheat again, I'll tell the teacher. In the spirit of this, we normally use will to speak about the future. It's always combined with another verb. I will go to the cinema tonight, he will play tennis tomorrow, or she will be happy with her exam results. Actually, we use will in our daily life in many aspects, like, for example, for a thing that we decide to do now. This is when you make a decision at the moment and in a spontaneous way. I'll call a taxi for you. I think we'll go right now. I just decided to do this right now. Or when we think or believe something about the future, this can be based on a personal judgment or opinion. The president will not be re-elected at the next election. I think it will rain later, so take an umbrella with you. Also, for the habit that is predictable behavior, my daughter will fall asleep as soon as she is putting into bed. He will give up if he starts losing. He always does that. Finally, we use want when someone refuses to do something. Tell him to clean his room, but he won't do it. She won't listen to anything I say. As you can see here, we use want instead of will in negative sentences, like this one. Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise. Jeremiah 17:14. If you want to keep improving your English, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. I am an English teacher and I'm going to help you to keep improving your English and to keep practicing. So thank you for watching my videos.